how to uninstall the Mercari app from your Android device. So first, go ahead and open the settings on your phone. Then you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and type in apps. Then tap on the first option. Then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Then again, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and type in Mercari. Then you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the uninstall button, then tap on OK to confirm. Now you have successfully uninstalled the Mercari app from your Android device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much and I'll see you guys later.